On and shift our focus to another important update that we are getting right now, and this one is a comment that has been made by senior Congress leader Saifuddin Soz, who has called for restoration of Article 370 and internal autonomy for Jammu and Kashmir. Speaking in Srinagar, Saifuddin Soz has said that the real issue is not statehood but restoring special status to continue the fight for return of the Article 370.
मैं आपको दावत देता हूं, हमारा मसला स्टेटहुड का नहीं है। स्टेटहुड कौन छीन सकता है? क्या कयामत तक यूनियन टेरिटरी इसको कोई बना सकता है? हमारा असल मसला अंदरूनी दाखिली खुद मुख्तारी है और जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को 370 की बहाली के लिए लड़ना चाहिए। कभी कभी आपस में ये बात करते हैं बुन्ना दिन की, ये गलत लफ्ज है नौजवानों के लिए। हमारी जो नौजवान नस्ल है उनको दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि हमने मुस्लिम अक्सरियत की रियासत में हिंदुस्तान के साथ शिरकत की जिसमें हिंदू लोगों की अक्सरियत थी।
So you heard that comment by Saifuddin Soz, Congress party. He has said that हमारा मुद्दा statehood का नहीं है. This at a time when NC has also called for a protest in the national capital on the first day of monsoon session of Parliament on the issue of statehood for Jammu. Now we have a reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well on the comment made by Saifuddin Soz. BJP has hit back at the senior Congress leader there, Saifuddin Soz, over his remarks on Article 370. BJP has accused the Congress party of echoing Pakistan's narrative and also referred to Saifuddin Soz's past comments on Afzal Guru, escalating the political war of words over this particular issue. Let's go across to my colleague Sahil Sohail, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Sahil Sohail, now it's very interesting. On one hand, you've got NC that's trying to bring in more and more political parties in the national capital for a protest on statehood for Jammu and Kashmir on the first day of monsoon session of Parliament. And then on the other hand, you've got the NC, the Congress leader there coming out and saying that it is important to restore Article 370. That should be the main priority. Statehood to mudda hi nahi hai.
Yes, exactly. And this is, in fact, what senior Congress leader Saifuddin Soz has, in fact, said today in Srinagar. He basically says that statehood is not the issue. The real issue is internal autonomy or the restoration of Article 370, basically suggesting that National Conference should not speak about statehood alone. It should be speaking about the restoration of Article 370, about internal autonomy to Jammu and Kashmir. Not only this, Professor Saifuddin Soz says that the youth in Jammu and Kashmir must stand up and in fact start demanding the restoration of Article 370. This is a similar statement, in fact, Mirwais Maulvi Umar Farooq had made after National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah had, in fact, invited him for the Jantar Mantar protest, which is scheduled for 20th of this month. So, separatist leader Mirwais Umar Farooq making a statement basically saying that the protest should not be alone for the statehood, it should be for other constitutional guarantees. We had also, in fact, statements of Congress leaders previous day when they said that Jammu and Kashmir deserves statehood plus, and in fact the spokesperson for Congress party saying that plus means protection for lands, jobs and constitutional guarantees. But today Professor Saifuddin Soz, who is senior Congress leader, has come out very clear on this particular issue, saying that the issue should be the restoration of Article 370 and internal autonomy rather than alone fighting for the restoration.
I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. We have Ravinder Raina of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your comments on what Saifuddin Soz has said. According to him, statehood to unka mudda hi nahi hai. He wants restoration of Article 370.
It is very unfortunate that a senior Congress party leader, former Congress minister who remained in cabinet minister in Dr. Manmohan Singh Saab's government, it is very unfortunate thing that he is stoking an agenda that was being sung by the separatists in Kashmir. This is very unfortunate. Sri Rahul Gandhi must answer. I think these directions might have come from Congress headquarters, Akbar Road, to Saifuddin Soz to spit venom against the country. On one hand, people in Jammu and Kashmir suffered badly due to all these things. And after 2019, when the Honorable Prime Minister Modi Sahab, Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah Sahab took strong decisions, the situation by and large is very normal, people living peacefully. Again, attempts being made. I can understand that here National Conference, PDP and other are just running post to pillar for their political agendas. But a statement made by a senior Congress leader is a highly condemnable. It's a matter of concern.
Okay.
Congress party once again stoking the anti-India propaganda in Jammu and Kashmir.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Ravindra Raina. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP as well. Listen in.
This is not Indian National Congress, it is Islamabad National Congress. Congress was not speaking only for statehood. They are actually talking about separatehood for Jammu Kashmir and they are echoing Pakistan's line. Saifuddin Soz has proven it. Saifuddin Soz, who has batted for Afzal Guru and Burhan Wani in the past, says that forget statehood, we want 370 to be restored. 370 being restored means Indian constitution should not apply. It means that the tribals and the Vanchit Samaj should not get reservation. It means that the RTI and other important laws should not be applied. Congress has always been against Ambedkarji's Samvidhan. It has always been for Pakistan line.
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.